Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to know about how to learn programming using ChatGPT AI tool. So many of the students who wants to start their career by doing any of coding or programming languages to ensure their career very strong. So before initiating the lecture, if you are starting first time we are watching this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe. So ChatGPT is a tool like a open source and which is a non-profit organization, and it's creating wonders. What you want? Yes, write a question and get the answer immediately. That the response of these queries are also getting more predictive and accurate. All you need to have an account of Google or Microsoft to access this account to use ChatGPT. So why are you late? I'll show you a step-by-step process how to go, and my query is also how to learn programming to explain a basic beginners who wants to start their career in strong way. So quickly I'm taking this query part of question, and now I'm going to open Google. Here go for ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT is the first link. You have to go here, and it's launched like November 2022 only. When you click here the first link, if you are already registered, try ChatGPT. If you are already registered, you will see this window, or else it will ask you to log in or sign up. So once you sign up this window, all you will get this window readily to ask a question to ChatGPT AI tool. So my query, I told you how to learn programming. Let ChatGPT what suggesting. I submitted a query. Wow, response is initiated. Now it is creating our response point wise. So see the essential basic things how you need to. So choose a programming language to start. Some popular choices of beginners, which is nowadays trending of Python, JavaScript and Scratch. So these programming languages are very popular, where you need to take an appropriate decision to start your career. The second point, get familiar with the basic concepts like variables. See, this is really important for beginners who want to start learning any programming language, like variables, data types, loops, functions and control structure, like a control flow, how it is going to be a step-by-step if else conditions in this way, are very essential to understand these basics. Practice. Why 3 times ChatGPT is suggesting? The more you code, the more you learn. Solving the problems, build small projects, create something your own. What it is, create, how you will create. So learning the basic things, practicing and essential in your hand, then you have a potential to create new things. This is what important for beginners. You need to interact closely. The next point, read and follow tutorials. How you will collect the new idea, how you will know the logic, what it is existing already behind it. Yes, for this there are so many online tutorials, YouTube channel, video lectures. You have to follow and learn these lectures to master in programming. Some popular platforms like Code Academy, Udemy and Coursera offering vast online courses. Join a community. If you are looking for example Python developer, so go for Python development team, developers group, such a forums you just join, and you just read and understand the query and answers. If you are willing to answer, yes, you just start it. Never stop learning in the technology of programming, consistently evolving. So keep up with the new development and advancements needed in software industry. So whenever you are looking your career in the way of programming language or learning coding skills to improve, these are the essential things to start understand and start learning in programming. If you feel this lecture is useful to you, yes, please do subscribe, share, comment your views. Thank you.